Why would we want to use Power Virtual Agents? What are the benefits of the Power Virtual Agents, right? So leveraging the Microsoft models that Microsoft built with AI, natural language understanding, the years and years of data that they've collected, it's really just coming to a point now where it's very usable. Like maybe a few years ago, it wasn't. It was a lot harder to use all that stuff to build your bot, but now it's becoming so easy. It's all tightly integrated. You don't even know what it is once you're in there. It just sort of works, which is what experience that most end users are going to want. Zero learning curve. People can interact with bots. They don't need to be taught to chat with somebody. It's something they do day to day in their personal life and business life. We all work on Teams now. We all work on in some sort of communication engine online. So there's no learning curve. There's no app to learn. There's nothing that they have to do any different. Self-service. So relieving members of your team from answering phones or taking time out of their day to train somebody how to do something or answer dumb questions or not dumb questions. So selfs are allowing the user to go in and do it themselves. So they can do it on their own time. It's going to be quicker because they won't have to interact with somebody unless the bot's not performing well, then they would have to act with somebody. And that leads to reduced costs. So setting up a bot will eliminate somebody from having to do a certain role. Maybe they won't have to be on the phone that long. Maybe it'll free them up to do other more important things. The goal of the bot is to really eliminate user interaction, streamline processes, and even reduce costs in the long run. So rapid implementation, make these bots fast, get them working quickly, and that's what Power Agents brings to the table.